Only thing is, I put peanut butter with my kale. What's up, everybody? So many people ask me, what do I put in my kale smoothie? It's nothing special. They want to know how you cut the taste, and I'm gonna show you what I do. Hopefully it worked for you. If you try it, I doubt you don't like it. It's very simple. Every product that I use you can get anywhere, except for the peanut butter. Only thing is, I put peanut butter with my kale. Nothing. Shut up. The only thing is, I put peanut butter from Trader Joe's in my kale. Sometimes, but if I'm being realistic, can't get that. Planters, man, honey roasted. It gives it a nice little flavor. It'll cut it for you. Then, pineapples. This is the trick of all. Pineapples, you gotta have your pineapples. This cuts kale like no other as far as the flavor goes. Get your kale, cut it up yourself. Don't always just get the pre-packaged ones unless you're getting it from someplace you know that they did it right. Get the kale, cut it up yourself. Rinse it off, please. Don't not rinse it off and think they did a good job. And one last final review here. Believe it or not, what the hell? Look how they packaged this junk. Why is the package? Look, it's not on the front or the back. My bad. Cranberry juice. Just watch this. I'm gonna make this for y'all right now. Show y'all how I do it. It's very simple, but this is the juice that does all. Oh, you gotta start off with ice. Make sure it helps to have a NutriBullet. So, first thing first. I'll add some ice in there. 2 scoops for me. Go with that good old kale. Don't worry, I already rinsed mine out before I put it in this bag. Mind your business. Mind your business. Stuff it in there, don't be scared. The important thing is the kale. Some people make sure that's the little bit they put in there. Nah. Stuff that kale up in there. This joint do look dry. I don't know if I rinse this joint off or not. And I don't even like how this pushing up. Let's go push that down some. I need to squeeze it in there. If y'all see most, where's it at? Most come with a max line. I surpass this line every single time. It's okay. See, look, some people thought I was gonna have some exquisite pomegranate something in my nope. Oh, just the juice came out, but that's not bad. Nothing. I just need to get the pineapples out. These some good pineapples too. Making a mess. Take it. Cranberry juice. Here, sometimes I come back with this. Close the lid. Put it on here. Check it out. Check how that thing flowing. That's actually pretty good. I got it right the first time. Sometimes I add more juice. Sometimes I might add some more peanuts or kale, depending on how it flows. This good. I'm gonna get it go a little bit more. Boom. You got traded to LA or what? Look at that. I'm not doing this for play like, oh yeah, he don't really like it. Nah, I love this. Oh.
Hi, I'm Ratchet.
Oh, okay.
For real, it sounds up. For real.
Appreciate you so much. You try it yourself. Tell me what you think. I can make more videos of other drinks that I make, or even let me know. This bomb. I'm gonna finish this. Y'all come on, subscribe. I got plenty more you can learn from. Let me know. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Subscribe.